Bum, 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 bum. Welcome, one and all, to this week's game. We have the Cardinals taking on the Raiders. Representing the Cardinals, we have Josh.
Hello.
And for the Raiders, we have May. Let's go in and meet the teams. For the Cardinals, they have Blaze, El Toro Loco, and TV. For the Raiders, we have Storm Damage, Pirate's Curse, and Full Bore. Let's flip for ball. We have a paper football here. PFL, Paper Football League. That'll be heads. Tails is the laces. Call it in the air. Josh?
Laces.
Josh calls the laces, aka tails. It's heads. Manny wins a flip.
Receive.
5-minute quarters with a running clock. Game begins. Raiders ball.
Down to hike. Down to hike.
Pirates curse. Oh, he makes a move, but he stopped at the 20.
Down to hike. Down to hike.
Oh, Blaze lost his helmet.
When a player loses a helmet, he must sit on a blade.
Sarge concurs. Scoreboard was getting pretty gross, so we changed over to a piece of paper this week. I'll get a new dry erase board soon. Sometimes you got to improvise. 4 minutes, 15 seconds on the clock. Cardinals ball.
Pretty good.
TV with the move. Touchdown.
Pretty good.
TV with the move. Touchdown. Should be called TD.
Yeah.
Raiders strike first with 6. Cardinals going for 2. It's like Blaze is getting the ball. Comes Blaze. Blaze with an easy move. Comes Blaze. 2 points. Well, I won't be able to try erase this game. Gonna have to scribble it out. Keep the score. 2 minutes and 22 seconds on the clock. Raiders ball. Who was that? Oh, storm damage. I think he got it in. Got to go to replay. Oh, storm damage. I think he got it in.
After further review, that's a touchdown.
Cardinals with some points on the board. All right, everybody's probably screaming at the screen. I got backwards here. It's Cardinals with 8. Raiders with 6. They're going for 2. Raiders going for 2. More. Oh, wow, what a move. Oh, wow, what a move.
Man.
Shook Blaze out of his tires. That was awesome. Tie game, 8-8. 48 seconds left in the first quarter. Cardinals ball. Blaze. Oh, what a cut. Blaze. Oh, what a cut. Cardinals with 14. Going for 2. Here comes Blaze. Here comes Blaze. Blaze makes it. Can Manny get to the clock in time? No.
I tried.
We'll be back right. Should have dove for it. Be back right after this. Back to start the second quarter. Score is 16-8. Clock starts. Josh with the beat. Raiders aren't even set up. Oh, Pirates curse!
Boom!
Oh, wow, what a
You went
hit.
airborne.
Man. Oh.
Boom!
Wow. Score remains. Second, let me partition off this first quarter. We're in the second quarter. Third quarter. There we go. Score remains 16-8. 4 minutes and 5 seconds on the clock. Cardinals ball. Here comes Blaze. Oh, this time Blaze is stopped. Cardinals ball. Here comes Blaze. Oh, this time Blaze is stopped. Great hit. Score remains 16-8. 3 minutes and 13 seconds on the clock. Raiders ball. There's 4 more with a move. Oh. Boom! Oh, Blaze stops him. Woo! Nice hit. 2 minutes and 40 seconds left in the second quarter. Cardinals ball.
Bring it.
TV. Oh. TV. Oh. TV slow walks it
Field goal.
out at the 20. Hey, good call, Josh. Cardinals set up for a 20-yarder. Blaze. Kick is no good. Blaze. Kick is no good. Oh, look at that. Spiral. Score remains 16-8. 59 seconds left in the second quarter. Cardinals on D. Raiders ball.
That's right. That's right.
Storm damage. Nice move.
That's right.
Nice move. Touchdown.
Touchdown.
14. Raiders going for 2. Not much time left in the half. Storm damage. Here he comes. Oh, he stopped. Great hit by El Toro Loco. Here he comes. Oh, he stopped. Score remains 14-16. Josh has no timeouts. That's the end of the half. Be back right after this. Back to start the second half. Apologies, no halftime show again this week. We decided to wait all the way into the Super Bowl before we have another halftime show. That will be a special one. We're close, guys. This is the final game of round 1. Then on to round 2. Josh, what's the deal?
It's hot. It's super hot.
I probably lost about 5 pounds now.
Sweating.
Now you know why we wait until we're in the shade, but definitely better lighting in the sun.
Yeah.
All right, you got to start the clock, Manny.
Start it. Start the clock.
Overhead's going, Josh.
Yep.
And the second half officially begins. Raiders ball.
Oh, no, you mean
Who catches?
Cardinals ball.
Oh, man, I'm confused. Cardinals ball.
Where'd you go? Go.
Oh, offsides. Haven't seen one of those in a while. Free play for the Cardinals. Here comes Blaze. Touchdown.
Go.
Oh, offsides. Haven't seen one of those in a while. Free play for the Cardinals. Here comes Blaze. Touchdown. Look at Cardinals. Take advantage of the offsides. Make it 22-14.
Where's?
Cards going for 2. Blaze. Ooh, just missed him. There's Blaze. Ooh, just missed him. Ow, you almost had him.
Where you going?
Just nicked his tires.
I really thought I had you.
That was close.
Thought you had me.
24. 3 minutes and 26 seconds left on the clock. Oh, gosh. Taking a break. You gotta pick that up after. Raiders ball.
Downside, downside, downside.
Storm damage. Boom! Oh, he cuts right back in for the top. Boom! Boom! Oh, he cuts right back in for the top. Score remains 24-14.
We need to hire a crowd. It's weird. We need the one who went, whoa!
2 minutes and 9 seconds on the clock. Cardinals ball. Comes Blaze by himself for the touchdown. Comes Blaze himself for the touchdown. Wow. I forgot how great Blaze is. 30. Man, all of a sudden it's not such a tight game. Card's going for 2. Game's not over till it's over. If you saw last week's game. Here comes Blaze. Oh, Blaze is stopped. Blaze. Oh. Score makes 30-14. 47 seconds left in the third. Raiders need a score, 2-point conversion, a stop, and score again.
Downside. Downside. Downside.
Arm damage. Oh, no. Pirates curse. Pirates curse cuts back into the tackle. Pirates curse. Wow, that was their chance. 14-30 still. 6-5. Or Josh has to call a timeout with 3 seconds.
Man.
Well, you won't be able to go for a field goal, but at least you get a playoff. Remember, you got to start the clock, though. You can do that in 3 seconds?
Yeah, man. Remember, what did I do it in 2 seconds at one time?
All right, you got socks on. Don't slip.
It's hot.
Established.
What are you doing, dude?
Josh, you know my 8th grade science project was on the color black absorbing heat more than any other color.
Oh, yeah, it does.
Yeah.
All right. Ready?
Here we go. Clock starts. Cards get it off. Sounded like Raiders went early.
Yeah, I did.
Cards get it off. Like Raiders went early.
Yeah, I did.
Well, you had a chance to wait for your free play, but you went anyway. Blazes stopped. That's it, guys. Third quarter's over. We'll be back right after this. Back to start the fourth quarter. Been having a little debate here. Either we've been doing it wrong all along here, or this is the way we're going to do it. Should you have another free play after that?
Nah, I don't think so.
Josh, somebody mentioned about that tape.
Manual.
Yeah, I know.
How come after every time you use this, it keeps falling?
You know, it only falls on you because I actually stick the tape back down.
Well, I stick the tape down before I use the track.
No.
It just goes over there. No, you sabotage me. It's all good.
How do I sabotage?
We did this last game. I don't want to hear it.
This quite possibly is the saddest 6-lane raceway in existence.
Dude.
We'll be back momentarily. Josh, that chair's not going to last either. There's not enough tape in the world.
I'm going for it.
Raiders ball.
Downside.
Pirates curse. Oh! Pirates curse makes a move, but he's hit and stopped.
Downside.
Oh! Pirates curse makes a move, but he's hit and stopped. Woo! 14-30. 3 minutes 54 seconds in the fourth. Cards ball. Blaze. Blaze out of bounds at the 5. That's Blaze. Blaze. Going for a field goal?
Nah, I'm not gonna go. I might actually need it later on.
Don't jinx yourself, Josh.
Nah, it's all good.
Score still 14-30.
It's hot.
3 minutes and 2 seconds on the clock. Raiders ball.
Downside.
Full more. Somebody falls down. Oh!
Downside.
Full more. Down. Oh! He weebles and wobbles out of bounds.
I'm trying everything.
Doesn't look like you come back to you haven't tried him backwards.
I just tried him backwards. He went in, so.
Oh. 2 minutes and 33 seconds on the clock. Raiders on D. Cards fall.
Ready go.
TV's got it. TV with a move. He's out of bounds. Cards ball.
Video.
TV's got it.
EV with a move. He's out of bounds.
Score means 14-30.
2-minute warning, guys. Be back right after this. Clock starts. Cards on D.
Raiders ball.
Sounds like.
Here comes full bore. Full bore is boring.
Sounds like.
Full bore is boring. 14-30. Cards lead. Minute 20 on the clock. Cards set up on offense. Who's getting it? Who's bringing it home?
Video.
Who's Blaze?
Video.
Who's Blaze? Blaze with a touchdown.
Ridiculous.
Man. Cards just won't let up. Raiders had a chance. Now it's 36-14. Cards going for 2. Goes Blaze backwards. Oh, this time he stopped. Rear end collision. Goes Blaze backwards. Oh, this time he stopped. 9 seconds left. Raiders taking a timeout. Score is 36-14.
6 seconds remaining. Clock begins.
3,
3,
2.
2. Here comes Storm Damage by himself. Wow.
12.
Wow. Backed up about 15 yards with that hit. Game over. Manny, get the bucket.
Final score of the game, 36-14. Cardinals take it. Raiders, great season. Congrats to everybody that picked them. Here comes Storm Damage. Into the bucket. Pirates curse. And full boring. Wow, it's been a long road, but that's the end of round 1. It's the Cardinals that advanced. Now we go on to the next round. First game will be Texans versus Steelers. Winner will go right up here. We'll see you for that game, guys. Get ready. We're coming down to the end of the season here. See you next week.
Manny, play better.
I tried. I really did.
Josh, picture track.
It's really hard to win against the Blaze truck, though.
Chris, get a new dry erase board.